Alrighty. I am here at the, let's see, I forgot what mall this was. We are here at a mall here in Omaha, Nebraska. Right here we have the escalators. But right here we have the real star of the video right here. This is a Montgomery Vector, my first ever. You can see the piston up there. Here it is. Something cool about these doors. Bumper check. 2. Door close works. Let's look out the window as the indicator does not work. Coming down?
Yes.
Which floor?
The next one down? I don't know what's up.
1?
Yes. Thank you.
No problem.
We received Big Macs.
You guys have a good day.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
You guys coming down or up?
Going up.
Okay. We're gonna go. I'm heading down first. So we're gonna go down first, but then we'll go up. Is that all right?
That's fine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. I'm just filming this elevator for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I have a keen interest in elevators. If you guys want to look me up, my YouTube channel name is like you know Pokemon. It's Vulpix and then 4025. You guys coming up?
Yep.
I'm actually from Missouri, so yeah, I'm on a 4-day trip here. This is day 2 for us. I'm with a party of 5. I don't know why it stopped. I didn't push one. There we go. You guys have a good day.
You too.
Coming down?
Yeah.
Which floor?
2?
To 1, you mean?
1, sorry.
That's where I'm going to. You guys have a good day. Try pushing the door close button. There you go. There it goes. Oh. It was lit up. Go ahead and push the door close again. There it goes for real. And that's it.